Hi, how you doing? Today we're going to make a wonderful salad. A chicken salad with peanut butter sauce. We're going to do it in 3 stages. Cook our chicken, get our vegetables together, and then make the dipping sauce, which is delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so let's get started on this. So we're going to do this in 3 stages. 1 the chicken, 1 the peanut sauce, and then 1 mixing it all together with the vegetables. So let's take a look at the chicken first. So chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into nice thin slices. Ginger, cut into nice thin strips. Now we're going to use some of that in this and some of it actually in the salad. Sliced garlic, sesame oil. We're going to add some black pepper. Okay, so I've got a wok. You're going to need a wok or a frying pan. The sesame seed oil is in. Let's chop in our garlic. Half of our ginger. And our chicken. In that goes. Hit that with some black pepper. If you want, you could add a little bit of soy sauce in here or some fish sauce. I like it just like this. On a high heat, as you can probably hear. We're going to go now for about 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it moving pretty much all the time. Okay, off goes the heat. Our chicken is done. Set that aside. We can move on. Okay, so peanut butter dipping sauce. So I've got some peanut butter there. You can use crunchy or smooth, it's entirely up to you. We've got some soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce, some chili sauce or some sort of pepper sauce, lemon juice, fish sauce, and coconut milk. Now I'm using a regular branded type of peanut butter, so I don't need to add any sugar to this. It's got loads of sugar in already. If you're using something a bit more natural, kind of a whole food type thing, you might want to add some brown sugar. This is very easy. Okay, so mixing bowl, as you can see, I've got my peanut butter in there. Now just a little tip, if you're doing this from a cold country, your jar's probably going to be really hard and stiff. What you can do is just pop it into a microwave for a few seconds. It will just soften it a little bit. And like I say, I'm using a crunchy one here. So we're going to add some soy sauce, fish sauce, lemon or lime juice, and then we're going to add some pepper sauce here, hot pepper sauce. You could even put just chili powder in it if you want. Now, one ingredient is missing, that was the coconut milk. What we need to do is get that hot, because hot coconut milk in there is going to make it really easy to mix up, and it's going to be delicious. By the way, the amounts of all the ingredients, you can just play around with it as much as you want. If you like it really spicy, add more chili sauce. If you want more acid, add more of the lemon. Up to you. Let me sort out the coconut milk. So, I've heated up my coconut milk, and then we're going to just pour that in there. Couple of ladles for me. Then we're going to get whisk, and we're going to go in there and start to mix that up. And that's looking a perfect colour and consistency for me. Of course you can make it thicker than this or thinner. Add whatever you like in there, the quantities. But there you go, you've now got a fantastic peanut butter dipping sauce. Okay, so chicken done, you saw us do that there. Peanut dipping sauce over there. And then today I'm just using these 3 vegetables. I'm going to use bean sprouts, cucumber and carrots. And as you can see, all cut really thin. And there's the balance of our ginger, which also will go into the mix. Let's get it together. Okay, large mixing bowl. Let's drop in the carrots, the bean sprouts, the cucumber. Let's drop in all of the balance of that ginger which is fantastic in there, really, really lovely. Now we're going to drop in our chicken. It's got some lovely flavours on it. We're going to hit that with a little bit more sesame oil, black pepper, and if you want you could add some salt, but for me we've got enough salt flavours going on. Simply what we need to do now is give that a mix. Back in a moment. Okay, beautiful, really lovely. You can eat that just like that. Now think about other things you want to put in there: celery, baby corn, water chestnuts. I mean, up to you where you want to go with it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab some of our lovely sauce and we're going to pour that over. This is one of my favourite salads actually, I love this. If you wanted a little bit of chopped lime leaf in there, coriander, some fresh chilies, I'm going to go with some lovely chili flakes here on the top. And that's it. You've got a really fantastic chicken salad with peanut sauce. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.